Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing two side trips. Well, they were basically two side trips rolled into one while I was in Ciudad Valles. The first one was the Pago Micos waterfalls, for which you got to do some waterfall jumping. Very much fun activity, I recommend it. And then the second part was a continuation onto the waterfall of Minas Viejas, which you have the ability to rappel from the waterfall, and then you're rewarded with a swim at the bottom of the waterfall with everything. Both locations are just gorgeous, very clean turquoise colored water. It was a very nice side trip, and it was done with a professional guide, which I recommend you do. But more on that, and we'll get to it.
Okay, now it's time to go. Okay, here we go with the mandatory map review. Over here where you see these blue points is where I'm at geographically. Let's go ahead and zoom in to trusty Google Maps. And right here is Ciudad Valles, where we're going to roam up to point B, where that is where the cascada of Pago Micos is the more proper name. And then up here into the mountains is where Minas Viejas, the cascada of Minas Viejas, is going to be. The main activity at Pago Micos is where we're going to be swimming and waterfall jumping. And the second activity of the trip at Minas Viejas is where we have an opportunity to rappel from the waterfall, which is about 50 meters or 165 feet. And then you're rewarded at the bottom with a swimming pool area, or the area there by the waterfall. Again, I'll let the photos and the videos do the talking. Thank you, and let's go, and it's time to go. Want to introduce some friends that I've made. This is Omar and Carla. And this is Juan and Marlene. And certainly not least, our fearless guide, David Fui Gonzalez. He was an awesome guide. He took care of us. He did everything right. Now some direction and guidance from David.
Dejar el vehículo en una parte y vamos a caminar aproximadamente unos 200, 300 metros. En tiempo son como de 8 a 10 minutos. Seguridad, más bien es una plática de qué hacer y qué no hacer en lo que vamos a entrar al río, y para saber principalmente cómo nos vamos a divertir, porque a eso venimos. Sí. ¿Vale?
All right, I want to talk a little bit about the road onto the waterfalls, because you got to see some of the views and the landscape of where we're in the country. Here are some images of the landscape, which is a little bit on the dry side, and then some truck trains of sugarcane that are being taken away to the processing plant.
So the primary industry here is sugarcane, and they also have their processing plant over here. It's massive. It's a massive operation.
Farming methods are modern, where you will see helicopters and sprayers flying around. The main industries in the area are mostly agriculture, focusing on sugarcane, citrus, oranges and limes, and corn. Second is adventure tourism, which focuses on waterfalls, rafting, and cave exploration. And the third industry is basically the commerce and the regional services that support the primary two that I just listed. Enough narration, and let's get to the fun stuff.
Walking towards the river. And we're heading down into the river, and there's a hydraulic plant, so that's what that big tube is about.
how it looks like after you jump into a lagoon or part of the river. Just a beautiful sight.
Ellos están alegres, pero no saben que los voy a aventar ahí, miren. Ahí. 1, 2, 3.
These are some of the things you can do in the Husteca Potosina area of Mexico. You can use Ciudad Valles as a home base and also the town of Gitla. And there you go, folks. This concludes our side trip to Pago Micos Waterfalls and Cascada Minas Viejas. Have a great day and tune into my next episode. Please like, share, and subscribe.